My name's Lynn, and we live in Mississippi. The first Sleep and Beyond comforter we had was their organic comforter, and we absolutely loved it and loved the weight of it and loved the feel of it. But being in Mississippi and having bipolar weather, it really was only comfortable on really cold nights. So then we'd have cold nights and warm nights, and we would have to take it off or get too hot. So I started looking for a lighter comforter and went back to Sleep and Beyond, and they had a comforter light. We got that in the fall, and we've been using it all winter, and here it is May, and it's still on our bed. And we're still comfortable at night. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. On cold nights in the winter, we stay warm, and we're not getting too hot now. We got to the point we needed a new duvet cover too, so we went back to Sleep and Beyond and ordered their king size duvet cover. And it was off-white. I was a little hesitant at first, but then when we got it, we've loved it. It's got the prettiest fabric of any one we've ever had. It's the sateen, and it really is shiny, and it's very soft, and we really do like it. They have great customer service. I have been nothing but pleased with it, so I hope you'll try something. Thanks.